How to download Rizz plug AI dating Wingman app, flirty pickup lines, Rizz GPT. So this is one of the Rizz apps out there, which you can try, and this app can be your AI dating assistant. Unlock the ultimate dating advantage with Rizz Mind. Elevate your dating game with our innovative AI-powered app that employs state-of-the-art GPT technology to craft personalized responses that will undoubtedly captivate your crush. Rizz Mind empowers you to stand out in the dating scene like never before. Our user-friendly interface and algorithm ensure you will never find yourself at a loss for words again. So yeah, basically you just open the app and you can use it in combination with Tinder or Hinge or some other apps, dating apps. You can allow notifications, but then unfortunately it's 3 days free trial, and then it's $7 per week, all billed once $40. I'm not sure if they just have this or they also have some kind of free version. Seems they don't. So basically, like, I don't know if it's worth upgrading, but like the idea is that you can just upload a screenshot of your Tinder conversation, and then this app will give you suggestions what to reply next. Or you can write things like, give me a pickup line for online dating, or like dating assistant, and it will just give you some responses, some different pickup lines which you can just try in Tinder and see how it works. So yeah, to be honest, I don't think at the moment this is like really like it's in advanced mode. So you will still need to edit it out, but at least it can give you some ideas. So I tried Rizz app and just for myself, and it's not giving you like really nice like pickup lines, all of them, but some of them can be actually quite good and quite realistic. So that's what you have there. But unfortunately in this app you need only to upgrade. I'm not gonna do that, sorry. But yeah, here if you just search for Rizz, then you can just open up this one, Rizz app, that's like in the top charts. And then it just has all these major updates, so then you can just open it up, and yeah, here you just have it like that. So yeah,